Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking legal boundaries and contacting your local police non-emergency line to register intent. They advise on allowable activity and safety. Once done, recruit a small core team of 6-12 neighbors and pick a coordinator to schedule first steps. Make sure to define the watch scope, whether you will patrol, report, or run social checks, so everyone knows responsibilities and limits, and collect basic contact details for rapid notifications and backup. You now translate intent into routines. Build a rotating schedule and assign roles like patrol, communications, and police liaison so tasks aren't vague. Next, set up tools, a group chat, sign-up sheet, and an incident log template to record dates, times, descriptions, and photos. Then arrange a short training with police that covers lawful observation, how to report suspicious activity, basic safety rules, and verbal de-escalation. This reduces risk and improves legitimacy when you act. You launch with a visible kickoff, a brief meeting, flyers on doors, and a neighborhood map showing patrol areas and safe contacts. Once active, run monthly reviews to discuss incidents, refresh the roster, and schedule annual training so practices stay current. If something goes wrong, conflict among members, unclear reports, or community pushback, stop those operations, document the issue, and escalate to your police liaison for mediation. That single troubleshooting step preserves trust and keeps the watch legal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.